Hi there, it's Cece, welcome back, and I'm going to go ahead and show you a little sneak peek of our private event. If you are a resident, you will be able to enjoy a little piece of our spaghetti annual dinner. Now let's go ahead and take a quick look.
Hello there, this is our Paradise Resort Estates annual community outreach spaghetti dinner and charity auction. We have a free will donation for food that goes towards the spaghetti dinner. All makings are donated by our church on site, and all proceeds will be divided with our charities. The charity auction is divided into 3 sections. We have brown bags where people buy tickets for $1 a ticket and drop them in the bags that they are interested in for the item. And then there's a silent auction side where they actually write their name down and write a bid for the item. And then on site we have 2 professional auctioneers, and they will be here tonight to auction off a wonderful variety of items that have been donated. And at the end of it all, when everything is tallied up, we have 4 local charities that the money is divided and donated to. This is our biggest fundraiser for our community outreach group here in our park, and it's a wonderful event with 99% of the park participating in the event.